Plant FAQs. Distylium Linebacker. Linebacker Distylium, a dependable evergreen champion for your landscape. For years, I've been on the hunt for a low-maintenance, evergreen shrub that could add vertical interest and year-round structure to my garden. After much research, I stumbled upon the aptly named Distylium Linebacker, and let me tell you, it hasn't disappointed. This beauty boasts a whole lot of wow factor with minimal fuss, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners like myself. Here's why I'm smitten with the Linebacker Distylium, and why it might be the perfect addition to your landscape as well. What to know about Linebacker Distylium? The Linebacker Distylium, a cultivar of the Distylium genus, is a handsome broad-leaved evergreen shrub. This easygoing plant thrives in USDA hardiness zones 7 to 9, meaning it can withstand temperatures down to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Its dense, columnar growth habit makes it ideal for creating privacy screens, hedges, or simply adding a touch of vertical drama to a garden bed. When it comes to size, the Linebacker Distylium matures to a respectable 8 to 10 feet tall with a spread of 6 to 8 feet. It fills out nicely from top to bottom, eliminating the need for additional foundation plantings. Plus, it's tolerant of being planted under power lines thanks to its upright form. Now, let's delve into some key aspects to consider when planting your Linebacker Distylium. How fast does Linebacker Distylium grow? While some sources might describe the Linebacker Distylium as having a moderate to fast growth rate, my experience leans more towards slow and steady. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. A slower growth rate translates to less frequent pruning and a more manageable plant overall. In ideal conditions, you can expect around 12 to 18 inches of growth per year. Remember, proper planting and ongoing care can significantly impact a plant's initial growth spurt. Ensure your Linebacker Distylium gets off to a strong start by providing well-drained, fertile soil with consistent moisture, especially during the first growing season. Sun exposure and soil preferences. The Linebacker Distylium is an adaptable shrub, thriving in both full sun and partial shade. However, for the densest foliage and most vibrant growth, I recommend planting it in a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. As for soil, this champion isn't too picky. It can tolerate a wide range of soil types as long as it drains well. However, for optimal performance, consider amending the planting hole with some organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve drainage and fertility. Watering needs. Keeping your Linebacker hydrated. Once established, the Linebacker Distylium exhibits moderate drought tolerance. However, during prolonged dry periods or hot summer months, providing supplemental water will ensure it maintains its lush green foliage. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Low-maintenance magic. Caring for your Linebacker Distylium. The beauty of the Linebacker Distylium lies in its low-maintenance nature. Aside from occasional watering during dry spells, it requires minimal care to thrive. Light pruning can be done in late winter or early spring to maintain its desired shape and size. However, due to its naturally slow growth rate, frequent pruning isn't typically necessary. Linebacker Distylium, a disease and pest-resistant champion. Another perk of the Linebacker Distylium is its resistance to most common diseases and pests. This translates to less worry and more time enjoying the vibrant foliage of this champion shrub. What to plant with Distylium Linebacker? The Linebacker Distylium's versatility shines when it comes to companion planting. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. For a pop of color, pair your Linebacker Distylium with flowering perennials like lavender, coreopsis, or daylilies. Low-growing companions. Creeping phlox or epimedium will add a layer of texture and color at the base of the shrub. Creating a hedge. Plant multiple Linebacker Distylium shrubs in a row for a stunning and low-maintenance privacy screen. Conclusion. The Linebacker Distylium, a champion for your garden. The Linebacker Distylium has quickly become a star player in my garden. Its dense, evergreen foliage provides year-round interest, while its low-maintenance nature makes it a gardener's dream. Whether you're looking for a privacy screen, a hedge, or simply a stunning vertical accent, the Linebacker Distylium is sure to be a winning addition. Plus, its adaptability to various sun conditions and soil types makes it a versatile choice for many landscapes. If you're a busy gardener like me who craves a beautiful yet low-maintenance landscape, then the Linebacker Distylium deserves a spot on your shortlist. With minimal effort, You can enjoy the architectural charm and lush greenery this champion shrub brings to your garden for years to come.